Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. So I don't want to ramble too much in the beginning of this video. Let's just get into it. If you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. Start off with the more miscellaneous products first. I always say that, take a shot every time I say miscellaneous products first. First off, we have the Sassy Chic cosmetic bag, which looks like so. This is so cute. It is a see-through kind of vibe. It does have some black stripes to it, and it's just like a really nice size as well. Cute little pom-pom on the zipper. And again, this is just adorable if you're going to be traveling, or just like if I have like a big bag that I want to keep things in. I think this is adorable, so definitely had to grab this. So I think this is like the most like random product in today's video. This is from Olika, and this says it has 300 sprays. It is the ultra hydrating hand sanitizer in blue tansy, and this is actually the only one that they had available. Many hand sanitizers dry out your hands, causing uncomfortable cracking or peeling that could expose you to more harmful bacteria. Olika's special blend of moisture retaining hyaluronic acid and antioxidant rich quenches dry hands with long-lasting hydration while removing 99.9% of germs. Interesting. So it is cruelty free, it is a vegan formulation, and also it does this 15 times more uses than a similar sized gels. I really love the fact that it came with like this little hanger situation. That's so cute. Why don't we try it out? Again, from the brand Olika. Smells like hand sanitizer. Feels nice on the hand. One of the products that I would definitely take with me, like if I'm going to Universal, am I going to Disneyland, something to kind of like put on my backpack or something, and like while I'm going throughout my day, kind of spray on. This is actually really cute, and the little hook is like really nice quality as well. So very interesting. I have these Be Pure hot and cold eye pads. So basically I just purchased them because they're really cute, and also I do have a little skincare fridge that my mom actually gifted me, and it's really cute. So I was thinking, girl, I can just pop them in there and then like throw them on when I'm having my self-care kind of moments. And these are really nice. They're even like just cold on their own right now, but again, these, you just pop them in a fridge or something. Do not put them in your freezer because it's gonna get a little too hard, but you know, just a little fridge moment to get them a little cold, and they're gonna feel so nice on the eyes, just to kind of depuff them if that's what you want. And I just felt like this little design was adorable, and I could not pass up on these. And there's a close-up look at this product. It's just like filled with some gel in there that does harden. Also does have little hearts in there with glitter. That's so cute. Girl, so this is something that I'm most definitely not going to use in my house, but I felt like we have been traveling more frequently recently, so I was like, girl, like whenever we go to like a hotel or something with a tub, we can definitely use this. This is a Crystal Waters bath bomb, and this is the strawberry fizz scented bath bomb, and it has a cute pair of lips. I just thought it was so adorable, so I could not pass up on this. So cute. Again, a bath bomb, so if you're into that, if you use them a lot for yourself, this is adorable, and I cannot wait to use it. So as you guys know, it is getting closer to Valentine's Day. I honestly don't know when this video is coming out, but Dollar Tree has been stocked up on like Valentine's products. So we have a couple of scrunchies. We have their towel scrunchie for use on wet hair, and we have this design which has cute little like pink hearts on it with, what is that, like gray little dots around it. I just thought this design was really cute. And then we also have this one, which is definitely my favorite design, with cute little like lips, red lips all over it. And I've actually owned these before. I think they're cute. It's really nice. Honestly, I've been really like thinking about purchasing this type of product for when my hair is wet. So I think this is really cute, and I'm definitely gonna use it even when my hair is dry, just to kind of throw it on up in a like pony. This is adorable. There's a look at the other scrunchie. So with that, they also had a couple other things for your hair. This is the Microfiber hair wrap. These are so cute. These are like the products that you see like once you walk into the Dollar Tree. This is like the first thing you see. And again, this is just a microfiber hair wrap, and you do get some instructions on the back on how to use this. And this is basically, again, if your hair is wet, this is what you use to dry it up a little bit. This is so cute. Lastly, for this collection, we also do have a comb, which is the Detangling comb with shower handle. So I actually have seen these type of brushes at the Dollar Tree with this type of handle, and that's exactly where I place it. I put it in my shower, and when I do have my shampoo or conditioner, I run any like brush or now comb through my hair just to kind of take out those tangles, just get it ready for when I come out of the shower. It's just easier to brush out. So I really love this type of product, but this is just 10 times cuter because it has a little red lips, and this says just what you need for tangle prone hair. Large wide tooth comb, features a hook handle for storage in the shower, and helps evenly distribute conditioners and hair treatments throughout the hair. Exactly what I use my other brush for. And there's a close-up look at that comb. So cute. All right, so let's talk about nails. I went ahead and picked up these nail decals. These are from B Color, and I just thought the little designs are so adorable that I had to buy 2 of them. I just thought these are so cute, so I cannot wait to pop them on my nails. And they are a gold little accents for your press-ons or for your own nails. These are so cute. So went ahead, not that I needed any more press-ons, but I saw these here, and as you guys know, a lot of the Dollar Tree press-ons, some of them are really good, others are not that great, but the ones from Pretty Woman I've actually had really great luck with. So these don't really last too long on me. I believe the other pair that I threw on lasted about 3 days maybe. They don't last the longest, but I just think they're really cute, so really affordable as well. And again, from Pretty Woman, these are just their, I guess, a medium size now. Okay, so these are 12 pieces. You get faux nails, glue is not included, salon perfect manicure in 5 minutes, almond shaped nails with a nice like French tip kind of vibe to them. So these are really cute. There's a look at the ones that I purchased the last time. Really cute as well. So I did see these little sponges and I could not pass up on them. These are so cute. These are from Diamond Cosmetics. These are their heart cosmetic sponges, and you get a light pink and a purple in this first set, and a dark pink with a red heart here. These are so cute. I cannot wait to try these out. I just noticed they're kind of different. This one here is a whole heart sponge, and then these are half heart sponges. Ooh, cute. So in the front section, like where all the hair products were, they also did have 2 styles of these little like rose handle brushes. They had this light pink, and they also had a red one, I believe. I'm not sure who the brand is, but this is just, it just says makeup brush, and they're just like those rose handle brushes. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. And again, they did have 2 colors. It's so nice and soft. Love. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to throw this on, like put some blush on or powder. It is extremely soft. I definitely recommend if you see these. So nice. Next product is from Just for Girls, and this is their flavored lip balms, and they're just so cute. Like, they look like little donuts, and I definitely cannot wait to see these. Let's go ahead and get in here. So there's the first little donut. Let's see how this looks. I really love these for like an overnight kind of vibe to throw on before I go to sleep or anything, just to kind of give me hydration to my lips. This smells so good. So look at the other lip balm. Cute. I'm telling you, these smell amazing. Really nice, really sweet, like donuts. These are so cute. They had so many cute pinky things. First off, we have the Make Me Up Lip Duo. It comes with a shimmery lip gloss and also a nourishing lip balm. This is adorable. I love this. This is so cute. Do I need another lip gloss or lip balm? No, but look at how adorable this looks. It is so cute. I cannot wait to use this. It is cotton candy scented. We also have the cotton candy scented lip balm as well. Yay! These are so cute. These are definitely my aesthetic. This is my favorite shade of pink, this dark kind of vibe. It's so cute. We also have the B Color Swirl lip gloss set. So it comes with a strawberry scented and a cherry scented lip balm or lip gloss. Look at those lip glosses. How cute are those? So you do get that little swirl in there. And again, this one's strawberry and this one is cherry scented. I did notice they had this Ioni Cosmetics glue. It is an eyelash glue. I use this one here, as you guys know, from AOA Studio. It's my favorite lash glue. Use it every single time I throw on lashes. But I have purchased so many Ioni Cosmetics lash glues in the past, and every single time that I'm about to go and use them, it's like really stuck in there. It's like dried up, cannot open it. So I saw this and it looked different. I feel like the cap is different. It has like a rose gold cap, so I was like, girl, did they reformulate or something? This is the Ioni Cosmetics Everlasting Lash Glue in clear. Again, I don't know if they reformulated, but let's just go ahead and use this. I'm gonna leave it in the packaging for now, because again, every single time that I've already opened and like looked at it, it dries up on me, so I don't want to use it until the actual video. So I am gonna do a full face of Dollar Tree soon, so that's when we'll use this, but we're gonna keep this in the packaging for now. Lastly, we have a couple of products from Beauty Intuition. I'm gonna talk about their nail polish first, because this is adorable. This is the Beauty Intuition nail polish. It says fall in love with this shape, long lasting bright color. It says it is water based, and it's this beautiful pink tone. I honestly don't remember if they had other colors, but this is so cute. So it says brush long smooth strokes from the base of the nail near the cuticle and work your way outward. Wait 2 minutes before applying another coat. So I'm guessing because it says water based, it's definitely more on the lighter pigmentation side, but I just had to have this. This is so cute. Doesn't this almost look like a little potion bottle? That is adorable. We have two beauty products. The first one here is the lip gloss from Beauty Intuition, and it says with love, and it says with confetti hearts inside. This is the most beautiful lip gloss, and again, it does have little pink hearts inside. I just think that is so cute if you want to give this to someone, even if you do like a love basket or something for someone. This is adorable. Those, what is it, like Christmas baskets, people did like Halloweeny baskets. Doing a little like Valentine's basket for someone in your life that loves beauty products with these from Beauty Intuition would be so cute. Look at that packaging. Isn't that adorable? Just a little hearts inside, just add the most beautiful touch. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Why does this make me so happy? Love. And lastly, from Beauty Intuition, this is a mascara from their line. It says it has a rich color, all day wear. It is smudge proof formula. Again, it does say with love. So cute, part of their Valentine's collection, and it says 3 times the volume. So interesting, they're volumizing mascara. Definitely cannot wait to try this. I'm not gonna open it just yet, because again, we are doing a full face of Dollar Tree, but cannot wait to try these products. That was it. That was the last product for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you see any of these products at your local Dollar Tree? A lot of these products will be debuted over on my TikTok and Instagram, so definitely follow me over there if you guys want to see more quicker videos from me on those products. If you want to see them in action, I'll probably do some review videos over there. Definitely let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. But that was it for today. I have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is always linked down below of all these videos, and I hope you guys come to my next video, because we're going to be doing a lot of affordable beauty this year. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.